Namaste students, welcome back to 8th standard mathematics class. In previous session we started chapter 10 parallel lines. Under this we discussed worksheet 1 and 2. In today's session we are going to solve worksheet 3. Under worksheet 3 two concepts we are going to discuss. First one, division of a line segment into equal parts. This is the first concept. Another concept, division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. These two concepts we are going to discuss under worksheet 3. Under first concept, we are going to divide a line segment into equal parts. Equal parts. This how many equal parts they are mentioning in the question. According to that, we are dividing a given line segment equal parts by constructing a parallel line. This is the first concept. Under second concept, same, we are dividing a line segment in the ratio. They are mentioning the ratio. According to the ratio, we are dividing a given line segment in a given ratio internally. So this is the another concept. In worksheet 3, total 8 questions are there. Here first 2 question and 6th question. These 3 questions are related to divide a given line segment into equal parts. Remaining questions are related to ratio problems. Nothing but we are dividing a line segment according to the ratio. So now let us start question number 1 under worksheet 3. Here first question, draw a line segment AB equal to 5 cm and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. Here we are dividing a given line segment. Given line segment is 5 cm. We are dividing a given line segment into equal parts. How many equal parts? 6 equal parts. So to divide a given line segment internally into 6 equal parts, first we have to construct a line segment, and by drawing a or by constructing a parallel line, we are dividing internally into 6 equal parts. To start this, we need ruler and compass. We need ruler and compass here. First, using ruler, construct AB equal to 5 cm. First, what we have to do? Using ruler, draw a line segment which is equal to 5 cm. Draw a line segment AB 5 cm. AB 5 cm. Okay. Next step, you have to draw a parallel line at A point and B point. To draw that, we have to construct a acute angle at point A and point B. So here I am going to construct an acute angle of 60 degree, because construction of 60 degree is very easy, and also you people studied in 6th standard. Using compass, construct 60 degree at point A and also at point B. Nothing but opposite sides you have to construct a acute angle, that is 60 degree. To construct this, at point A, draw a semicircle of any radius. Draw a semicircle at point A of any radius. That semicircle should touch the line AB. Similarly, in the opposite side at point B, below the line segment AB, draw another semicircle. Next, where the semicircle meet a line segment AB, without changing the measurement, you have to draw one arc on semicircle. Similarly, at B point where the semicircle touches or meet, here you have to draw another one arc on the semicircle. Next, using scale, draw a line from a point A on the arc where it meets a semicircle. You can draw any length. There is no measurement for this. You can draw of any length. Similarly, below the line segment AB or opposite to this line, you have to draw line from the point B. Now, you people created 60 degree at point A and B. 60 degree. This angle measures 60 degree. Next step, what you drawn the line here, you have to divide equal parts. How many equal parts? 6 equal parts. Now I am going to take one measurement, 1 centimeter measurement from the ruler, and I will divide into 6 equal parts. You can take 1, 2, 3 as your wish. It should be equal parts. So from the point A, for equal parts, 1 centimeter, draw 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you divided a given line segment into 6 equal parts. Similarly, on this line also you have to make 6 equal parts. Without disturbing this compass, at B point, make 6 equal parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Next step, what you have to do? What you divided equal parts now, for that you have to give a name. Here from a point A, you drawn equal parts, 6 equal parts. So from here you have to write A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Similarly, from the B point, what you divided equal parts, for that also you have to give a name: B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now after constructing a parallel line, now you have to join A to B6, A1 to B5. Like that you have to join the each equal part to A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 to B1, B2, B3, B4 up to B6. Okay. First, this is carefully you have to do children. A point, you have to join from A point to B6. You can draw a dotted line or a straight line as your wish. Last 2 line segments you can draw dotted or straight lines. Here I am going to draw dotted lines here. Join A to B6. Next, A1 to B5. A1 to B5. You have to draw a line, not a dotted line here. Similarly, B4 to A2. Join B4 to A2. Next, B3 to A3. B2 to A4. B1 to A5. Last, B to A6, dotted line. Now, where this line meets a given line segment AB, here you will get a points. That you have to write C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C5 to B, that is the another last part. So you divided a given line segment AB into how many parts? 6 parts. A to C1 first part, C1 to C2 second part, C2 to C3 third part, C3 to C4 fourth part, C4 to C5 fifth part and C5 to B sixth part. So you divide a given line segment AB 5 centimeter into 6 equal parts by constructing a parallel lines at point A and point B. So this is how to construct how to divide a given line segment into equal parts. Now for this you have to write as steps. Steps of construction. Here for each question after constructing you have to write the steps. Here what we done to construct the parallel lines to divide the given line segment, what are the steps we followed, each step by step we have to write. Okay. Here you at point A you draw a ray. So here you write down AP and this is BQ. At point B what you drawn? Ray, write down BQ and AP. Here first what we done? First we constructed a line segment AB 5 cm. So first step, draw a line segment AB equal to 5 cm. Second step, draw two parallel rays AP and BQ at A and B respectively, making an acute angle 60 degree. So here we constructed a parallel line at point A and point B by constructing 60 degree, nothing but here acute angle given. So we took here 60 degree. 60 degree, by making 60 degree angle we draw two parallel lines and gave a name AP and BQ. Third step, using compass mark equal distance A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 at AP and B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6 at BQ. What you drawn AP and BQ parallel lines, on these two parallel lines we have to divide 6 equal parts. So 6 equal parts how we divided? By taking 1 centimeter measurement from the ruler, we cut arc on the line AP, 6 arc. Similarly on BQ we cut 6 arcs. For each arc we gave a name A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 on AP line, AP ray. Similarly B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 gave on BQ line segment or line what we drawn. Okay. Next, join A, B6, A1, B5, A2, B4, A3, B3, A4, B2, A5, B1 and A6B which cut AB at C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Where now next step you have to join A1 to B6, A1 to B5. Similarly A2, B4, A3, B3, A4, B2, A5, B1 and A6 to B. And also you have to give a name where these lines meets a given line segment AB. There you have to write C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 respectively. The last one, measure AC1, AC2, AC3, AC1, C1, C2, C2, C3, C4, C5, C4, C5, C3, C4 and C5B which are equal parts. If you measure each part here, AC1, C1, C2, C2, C3, C3, C4, each part if you measure, you will get same equal measurement for each part. Now you divided a given line segment 5 cm into 6 equal parts. This completes question number 1. Question number 2. Draw a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter and divide it into 4 equal parts. What is the length of each part? Same what we done in the previous question, same we have to follow here. First, you have to draw a line segment of length 6.4 centimeter. Using ruler, draw a line segment 6.4 centimeter. Here they not mentioned name. I am going to give here A, B, which is 6.4 centimeter. Similarly, at point A you have to construct 60 degree, and at point B opposite you have to construct another one more 60 degree and draw a parallel lines. Using compass with any radius, at point A draw one semicircle. Similarly, at point B, draw one more semicircle opposite to what you drawn at point A. Where the semicircle meet a line segment AB, from this point cut one arc on the semicircle. Similarly, here also you have to draw one arc on the semicircle. Now draw a line from through this arc and give name P, AP. Similarly, opposite to AP, draw one more line. Give BQ, BQ. The next step, you have to divide AP and BQ into equal parts. How many equal parts? In question given 4 equal parts. So, take 1 centimeter measurement from the compass. You can take any measurement, but it should be equal. 1 centimeter, and cut equal parts on line AP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, from the point B, cut equal parts. One, 2, 3, 4. For this you have to give A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now join A to B4 with dotted lines. B3 to A1, B3 to A1. Join B3, A1. Next B2, A2. Join B3, B2, A2. Next B1, A3. B1, A3. Last B and A4 with dotted lines. Now you have to write here C1, C2, C3 where the line cross the given line segment AB. C1, this is C2, C3. Now you divided a given line segment AB into how many parts? 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. A1, A to C1 first part, C1 to C2 second part, C2 to C3 third part, and C3 to B fourth part. And also here they asked what is the length of each part. What is the length of each part? Now you have to measure each part. A, C1 how much, C1, C2 how much, C2 to C3 how much. Here. Yes. Exactly. A to C1 we got 1.6. From C1 to C2 1.6. C2 to C3 1.6. Similarly, C3 to B 1.6. Each measurement we got 1.6. Here you can write 1.6 centimeter. Each part 1.6 centimeter. Now you have to write the steps. Steps of construction. First step, draw AB line segment 6.4 centimeter. AB line segment 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Second step, draw rays AB parallel to BQ at A and B respectively, making acute angles with line segment AB. On line segment AB at point A and at point B, you have to construct a rays which are parallel to each other, AP and BQ, by making acute angle of 60 degree. Third step, using compass, mark A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 on AP and BQ at equal distances. After constructing a parallel rays, now you have to mark equal parts on AP ray and BQ ray by taking 1 centimeter from the compass. You have to cut arc A1, A2, A3, A4. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4. Now join all these points A2, B4, A1 to B3, A2 to B2, A3, B1, A4, B. Okay, that is fourth point, fourth step. Last fifth step, measure AC1, C1, C2, C2, C3, C3, B, which are same, and length of each part 1.6 centimeter. So here in the question they asked what is the length of each part. So you have to measure each part measurement A to C1, C1, C2, C2, C3 and C3B. They are all equal, having measurement 1.6 centimeter. So now you divided a given line segment AB of 6.4 centimeter into equal 4 parts. This completes question number 2 from worksheet 3. Question number 3. Draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? Third question, they given ratio. In previous questions, they given equal parts, 3 parts, 4 parts like that. But here in this question, they given you have to divide a given line segment into ratio 2:3. Here, first step, you have to draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Using ruler, draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. Give a name A, B, which is 5.5 centimeter. From point A and from point B, draw acute angle. Acute angle I am going to construct here 60 degree. Draw semicircle on line AB without changing the measurement. Cut one arc. Similarly, at B point, construct one semicircle. From here cut one more arc which make 60 degree. Now draw a ray, give name P. Here also Q. Question number 3. Draw a line segment of length 5.5 cm. Divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? Here you have to draw a line segment of length 5.5 cm and divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. In previous two questions we divided into equal parts. Internally equal parts we divided, but here they given ratio. 2:3 you have to divide a given line segment 5.5 cm and also you have to measure each part. For this, first you have to construct a line segment of length 5.5 cm. Draw a line segment which measures 5.5 cm. Using ruler, pencil, draw a line segment 5.5 cm and give a name A, B. At point A and at point B, construct a parallel lines by constructing acute angle. For any measure, any radius, you have to take measurement from the compass and draw a semicircle at point A. And also at point B opposite to point A, you have to construct one more semicircle. Where this semicircle meets a line segment AB without changing the measurement, from that point construct one arc on the semicircle. Similarly, on the point B where the semicircle meets a line segment AB, you have to draw one more arc on the semicircle. Now draw a line from point A and also from point B opposite to that line. You have to draw one more line. Here give a name AP. Here Q. This measures a 60 degree acute angle. Now after constructing a parallel lines, now you have to divide the parallel lines into equal parts. How many equal parts we have to divide? Here the given ratio 2:3. 2:3. Now you have to add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. You have to divide AP and BQ by taking equal measurement 5 parts. By taking equal measurement, here 1 centimeter I will take. Without changing the measurement, you have to cut 5 equal parts on AP and also on BQ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, on B point, without changing the measurement, cut 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For all these parts, give name here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Similarly, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Last two, A to B5 and A5 to B, join with dotted lines. Now, you have to divide a given line segment into 2:3 ratio. 2:3, it represent A2 to B3. You have to join A2 to B3. Then the given line segment is going to divide 2:3 ratio. This 2:3 ratio represent you have to join A2 and B3 arcs. A2 and B3. Join A2 and B3. This line will meet on the line AB and write this point as C. Now AC and CB, the line segment divided 2:3 ratio. It represents 2:3 ratio divided a given line segment AB, which is 5.5 centimeter. In question, he is asking what is the length of each part. Measure AC and CB. AC measures 2.2 centimeter. Now you have to measure CB. CB measures 3.3. Here AC measures 2.2 centimeter. CB measures 3.3 centimeter. Total 5.5 centimeter you will get AB line segment. So you divided given line segment AB into 2:3 ratio, and also measurement of each part is 2.2 centimeter and 3.3 centimeter. So this completes question number 3 from worksheet 3.